Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make product videos for your Shopify account using dall. To begin, we're going to be thinking of a bag, so I'm going to do make me a product photo of a bag with a plain black color but has a little astronaut surfing on waves as the logo. And we're gonna let it create that, and I think that's quite a nice idea. So as it creates, it will show you many ideas. So a painting of a fox in the style of Starry Night, and that's what it made. But while we wait, I just want to say that don't forget to like this video and subscribe so that you won't miss any of our uploads. In order for that to happen, make sure you click that bell, and that way you'll be notified every time a new tech tutorial comes. Now that it's loaded, as you can see if you give it a moment, any second now, it should load. Come on. It's right there. Come on. Alright, I'll be back with you guys as soon as it's done. Oh, never mind, it's done. Alright. Um, so as you can see, this was kind of what we were looking for. Now, this wasn't exactly what I want, so what we can do is press on variations, and it's gonna create varieties of that, so I'll be right back. Alright, so it's complete, and I found exactly what I was looking for, which is this right here. Now, there you go. That can be our product photo. Once again, if you don't like how it looks, you can press on variations, but I think this looks great. So you can press on save. Now, I'm gonna give you guys another example. So let's do make me a product photo for my clothing. Make me a product photo for a t-shirt that has a for a t-shirt that is plain white with with a cow t-shirt that is plain white with black dots all over it, and add a little drawing of fire in the middle. Now, this is quite a hard one, so it probably won't make this, but this is just to truly test the limitations of dall 2. So let's give it a moment. Alright, so we're back, and I actually am quite surprised. I had two pictures in mind. It was this, and it was this, and I made both. Now, for this video, we're gonna go with this, because it looks amazing. I think this looks dope, and we're gonna press on variations once again. So let that load up. While it does load up, I'm gonna give you guys another tip. Here it will show you tips as well. So with those tips, you can make even better product photos than you already have. But that is truly one of the best ways to make product photos. So give it a moment, and it should load us up variations. And as you can see, it is almost done. And we're back, and I think this is still the best one, but I think another cool one is this. It's like the axis of the fire is going. But I would say this would be our product photo. So there you have it. That is how you can make product photos for your Shopify account using dall 2. did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.